Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and this is just a quick video to give you a couple of pieces of information. First is this new clock I got from my daughter for my birthday. I apologize for the flickering because that's the update rate of the display versus my cell phone recording rate. And it's a text display of the time. And it updates every 5 minutes. So right now it says it is 20 minutes to 8 o'clock. And then probably the next up, the next day, next up, it is 15 minutes to 8 o'clock. Pretty unique. It shows up really good in a dark room. My camera is enhancing the video, so you're seeing all the text in where I'm looking at it right now. I only see the text that's lit up. I like it so well that even though it's not a radio or an antenna or test equipment, I put it in my Amazon store. So you can get this from Amazon for $24.99, and you can get an extra coupon if you're an Amazon Prime customer to get it down even further. So check out my Amazon store. The link to my store is down below in the description of each of my videos. I just get a commission if you buy something through my store. It's Amazon. It's not unique to me. It's Amazon, something you can do on Amazon. Okay, lastly, I want to remind you of a show I'm going to do tonight with Bradley. Bradley has a unique situation that took place when he was buying some of the new Texan radios, and I asked him if he would let me interview him and discuss his adventures at getting these new radios. So that's coming up tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. So be sure to tune in. And thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.